General knowledge question on science and technology. Who is known as the father of Indian space program? Answer B. Vikram Sarabhai. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, headquarter is located at. Answer D. Bangalore. India's first satellite Aryabhata launched by India in the year. Answer D. 1975 on 19 April 1975. India's first satellite Aryabhata was launched from. Answer A. Soviet Union. The launch came from an agreement between India and the Soviet Union, which is directed by U.R. Rao, which is signed in 1972. First satellite to be placed in orbit by Indian-made launch vehicle SLV-3. The satellite launch vehicle 3 is. Answer B. Rohini. Was successfully launched on July 18, 1980. First mobile phone conversion take place in India between. Answer C. Jyoti Basu and Sukhram. In August 1995, Chief Minister of West Bengal, Jyoti Basu, made the first mobile phone call in India to the Union Telecom Minister Sukhram. Which of the following anti-satellite missile is tested by India on 27 March 2019? Answer C. Mission Shakti. On March 27, 2019, India conducted Mission Shakti, an anti-satellite missile test from the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island Launch Complex, Odisha. In which year Captain Rakesh Sharma traveled to space in a Soviet space program? Answer C. 1984. Internet in India was started by VSNL in the year. Answer C. 15 August 1995. India's first supercomputer is known as. Answer C. Param 8000. Chandrayaan-2 mission was launched by which vehicle? Answer A. GSLV Mk3. Chandrayaan-2 is the second mission to the moon, which was launched on 22 July 2019 by India's geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle Mk3. Which among the following countries first reached the dark side of the moon? Answer C. China. The far side of the moon is the lunar hemisphere that always faces away from Earth, opposite to the near side. The hemisphere is sometimes called the dark side of the moon, where dark means unknown instead of lacking sunlight. Both sides of the moon experience 2 weeks of sunlight, while the opposite side experience 2 weeks of night. First nuclear plant in India. Answer C. Tarapur, Maharashtra. Tarapur Atomic Power Station is located in Tarapur, Palghar, Maharashtra. It was the first commercial nuclear power station built in India. First nuclear reactor made in India. Answer D. Apsara. India's and Asia's first nuclear reactor Apsara was inaugurated by Prime Minister Nehru on 20 January 1957. First hydroelectric power plant in India. Answer C. Darjeeling. A project with capacity of 130 kilowatt installed at Darjeeling district in West Bengal in 1897 was the first hydropower installation in India. Which country has developed the world's first floating nuclear plant? Answer C. Russia. The floating nuclear power plant named the academic Lomonosov. Sound become noise pollution at. Answer C. 80 decibel. The normal temperature of human body in Kelvin scale is. Answer C. 310. The first four planets nearest from the Sun are known as. Answer. A. Terrestrial planets. The four planets closest to Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, are called terrestrial planets. They are mostly made of rock and metal. They are mostly solid. The last four planets are called gas giants, which are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. This is because they are much larger than other planets and mostly made of gas. Which one of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Answer. B. Argon. The primary greenhouse gas in Earth's atmosphere are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. Which state of India became first to reserve a government job for HIV positive candidates? Answer. C. Kerala. The Kerala State AIDS Control Society announced to reserve a government job for HIV positive candidate. A vacancy has been reserved in the office of KASACS for HIV positive candidate for the post of coordinator. White color of milk is due to the presence of. Answer. B. Caseins. The full form of SIM is. Answer. A. Subscriber Identity Module. The full form of the MRI is. Answer. C. Magnetic resonance imaging. Which planet experiences a day almost of the same duration as that of the Earth? Answer. A. Mars. 24-hour and 37-minute duration of one day. What does the ozone layer protect the Earth from? Answer. B. Ultraviolet rays. The planet of the solar system which does not have a satellite is. Answer. B. Mercury. Mercury and Venus are the only planet in the solar system which does not have any satellite. The metal which melt at human body temperature. Answer. A. Gallium. Gallium and cesium are the metals that will melt at a body temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. The melting point of gallium and cesium are 29.7 degree and 28.9 degree respectively. What is the first antibiotic discovered in the world? Answer. C. Penicillin. In 1928, penicillin, the first true antibiotic, was discovered by Alexander Fleming. In which year X-ray was invented? Answer. B. 1895. Wilhelm Röntgen, professor of physics, discovered X-ray in 1895. Which gas has not been transported by blood? Answer. C. Nitrogen. The region lying between Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn is called. Answer. A. Torrid zone. The so-called fourth state of matter referred to. Answer. C. Plasma. Plasma is called the fourth state of matter after solid, liquid and gas. Homeopathy was discovered by. Answer. A. Samuel Hahnemann in 1796. The first successfully cloned animal is. Answer. D. Sheep. Cloning is a technique scientists use to make exact genetic copy of living things. On 5th July 1996, Dolly the sheep, the first mammal to have been successfully cloned from an adult cell, is born at the Roslin Institute in Scotland. Laser is a device for producing. Answer. D. Simulated radiation. A single type of atom is found in. Answer. C. Native elements. Which space agency has discovered the first nearby super-Earth? Answer A. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration NASA. The satellites of NASA had discovered first nearby super-Earth. It is a planet that could possibly support life. The new discovery is known as an exoplanet. It is basically a planet that orbits a star outside of our solar system. Which carbohydrate is rich in honey? Answer C. Fructose. Honey is mainly fructose, about 38%, and glucose, about 32%, and remaining sugars. Which of the following gets low in the human body due to dengue fever? Answer A. Platelets. Malaria fever is caused by? Answer D. Plasmodium. Transmitted by the bite of infected mosquitoes. Electrical heating devices are usually made of? Answer C. Nichrome. In which part of the body lipid digestion takes place? Answer B. Small intestine. The acid that is used in most of the car batteries is? Answer D. Sulfuric acid. Zika virus was named after the Zika Forest of which country? Answer D. Uganda. Zika virus was first detected in Uganda in 1947 by the scientists when they were researching on yellow fever. In the research, scientists came across a virus transmitted by mosquitoes. In 1952, the first human case of Zika virus were detected. Which UN organization became the first to accept a donation in cryptocurrency? Answer B. UNICEF. UNICEF is the United Nations Children's Fund, is the agency of United Nations and has become the first UN organization to hold and make transactions in cryptocurrency. According to the research, the first ever stable ring of pure carbon consists of how many atoms? Answer A. 18. Oxford University and IBM Research Lab chemists have achieved that first ring-shaped stable molecule of pure carbon is a circle of 18 atoms. Breakbone fever commonly known as? Answer B. Dengue. The patterns of stars seen in the sky are called? Answer C. Constellations. An air bubble in water will act like a? Answer C. Concave lens. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe and click on bell icon for next video update.